Today we are going to explain what DePIN is. DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. It is a new type of project that is starting to emerge in the crypto space that combines the technology of blockchain with physical infrastructure in the real world. So basically, it uses a decentralized network and crypto incentives to build, maintain, and operate physical infrastructure like roads, power grids, and even satellites. There are a few different types of DePIN projects. Let's go over some examples of each type. First, wireless networks. Imagine a community-owned Wi-Fi network where anyone can set up a router and anyone can connect to it. Now, imagine that everyone who participates in this network earns tokens for providing or using the network. This is an example of a DePIN project that is being worked on called Helium network. Another example of a DePIN project is one that is working on a better energy grid. Their project incentivizes people with solar panels to share their excess energy with the grid. They do this by using a blockchain and crypto rewards. A token called Watt is used to reward people for sharing their energy. Data storage is another use case for DePIN projects. There is a project called Filecoin that pays people in tokens for renting out their unused hard drive space to others. This creates a decentralized storage network that anyone can use. The last example we will go over is a mapping and sensor network. There is a project called Skynet that wants to create a network of user-owned sensors and cameras that can collect and share data with each other. This data can be used to create real-time maps. So those are a few examples of DePIN projects. They are all very different, but they all use a decentralized network and crypto incentives to solve real-world problems. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, you may be asking yourself, how do I make money with DePIN? Well, there are a few ways. First, you can buy the tokens of a DePIN project that you believe in. Then you can stake or lock up your tokens to help secure the network. Finally, you can use the network to earn fees. For example, you could run a validator node on the Helium network and earn fees from transactions on the network. DePIN projects are still in their early stages, but they have the potential to change the way we think about infrastructure. By using a decentralized network, they can create more efficient, transparent, and community-owned alternatives to traditional infrastructure systems that are often controlled by large corporations or governments. With the added incentive of crypto tokens, these networks are able to attract more participants and get more coverage. So that's what DePIN is. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. We really hope that you've learned something.